Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Freeport, Texas, a charming coastal city with a rich history and beautiful surroundings. Our journey begins on Velasco Boulevard, a main road that runs through the heart of Freeport. This city, founded in 1917, has grown from a small town into a bustling community with a strong connection to the Gulf of Mexico. Freeport is known for its deep water port, which plays a significant role in the region's economy by supporting industries like shipping and petrochemicals. As we drive along Velasco Boulevard, you'll notice the mix of residential areas and local businesses that give Freeport its small-town feel. Our route takes us to Texas Route 332 East, where we begin our journey southbound.
Thank you very much.
This highway is a gateway to some of the most beautiful coastal areas in Texas. As we travel along, you'll see the natural beauty of the region, with wetlands and waterways that are home to a variety of wildlife. Continuing on Texas Route 332 East, we head towards Surfside Beach, a delightful coastal community known for its stunning beaches and relaxed atmosphere. Surfside Beach is a favorite destination for locals and tourists alike, offering sandy shores, fishing piers, and a laid-back vibe that's perfect for a day of fun in the sun. The beach is a great place to unwind, with its gentle waves and warm sands. Whether you're here to swim, fish, or just enjoy the scenery, Surfside Beach offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Thank you for joining us on this scenic drive through Freeport and the journey to Surfside Beach, where the natural beauty and rich history of the Texas coast come together to create a truly special experience. Thanks for watching!